Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you quickly how to change the language on OBS Studio. So first step we should to do, it's going to settings here, the last button, under the last button here, and click to settings, and in general here you will find the choice to change the language from here, and you can change also the temp from here. And basically this is the tutorial. I think it's I think what I can't now change the language because I'm recording, so you can just change it from here. Then you can change the temp from here like this, and you will see right now what can happen. As you can see, the style is changed of my OBS. Also you can get the dark default one, click OK, and here we go, he's changed. So this is guys the tutorial of how to change the language. You just change it from here, so, and click to apply of course. And this is the video guys of tutorial how to change the language on OBS. Thank you guys, please don't forget to put like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in another video.